Hello, welcome to Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. Just like to walk you around our beautiful 1970 Jaguar E-Type. It's a Series 2 4.2 6-cylinder model. It's an original UK car, meaning it's original right-hand drive, and it's got the all-important manual gearbox. It's finished in signal red. Condition of the car is absolutely stunning. I have to say it's probably one of the best we've had. The paint finish, the panel gaps are absolutely superb. It looks as good in the flesh as it does on the video. It really is beautiful. Look down the sides, it's absolutely dead straight. It's got chrome wire wheels on it. They've been renewed. They're very much as new. The chrome on it is all good. Just a beautiful colour, the signal red. The car's had just 3 long-term owners from new. The last owner owned it since 2016. He spent a fair amount of money on it during his ownership. We've got all the bills and receipts for that. The car did undergo a restoration. I call it a sympathetic restoration in 1995 by a classic car specialist in Peterborough. We have all the invoices for the work carried out there. It had various body panels, paintwork as required, and condition wise it presents incredibly well today. It's obviously been beautifully looked after. To show you the most important part of an E-Type, which is under the bonnet, of course. Absolutely immaculate. It's obviously been really well cared for and looked after. And the all-important bonnet, that's solid around the hinges as it should be. Yeah, a very, very special car indeed. The car will be on our website, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. It's been marketed at $49,995. If you'd like any further details, take a look at our website. There'll be further pictures including the underside, or you can call myself David on 01604 842 091 or 07787 573 255, and the website is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.